We've all been there, watched our colleagues glaze over as we stagger through endless rows of monthly numbers. So what if we told you there's a better way to present your business's KPIs? Dashboards are a real-time representation of your organisation's performance indicators all in one place. Visualisations, charts and graphs, make it far easier for non-finance people to understand what's happening right now and see the big picture. By including only the metrics that matter in your organisation, you can reduce distraction and improve decision making. Oh, and did we mention that dashboards can help us build a more equal world? Well, we'll get to that. But first, the payroll company Gusto set up dashboards targeted specifically at accountants. Their system displays layoff alerts and payroll blockages so accountants can instantly recognise issues. By highlighting red flags through dashboards, we can eliminate their root causes and improve performance and profits with, well, gusto. As well as increasing effectiveness, there's another way a dashboard-led approach can put a little money in your pocket. Reports have calculated that $102 billion is wasted on unnecessary meetings every year. And that's just in the US. But get this, according to the Wharton School of Business, visualisations can turn an hour-long meeting into a 45-minute one. So we get more done and we waste less. And how about making the world a fairer place? Well, Grant Thornton uses dashboards to review the diversity of its workforce, ensuring that discriminatory practices are stamped out and that employees' well-being is protected. Using simple, real-time charts, the organisation has been able to track its commitment to social mobility and has rocketed up the Stonewall Equality Index. So, dashboards can be kept relevant and up-to-date, and they can tell a story too. Here's a quick reminder of what you can add to your business with a dashboard. 1. Economics. With increased engagement and efficiency will come organisational improvements and in turn increased profits. 2. Efficiency. By making the information easier to digest, you won't get bogged down with the data and waste precious time in meetings. 3. Engagement. Anyone can make use of a dashboard. By making the right numbers accessible, you can get everyone on board and working together straight away. As Bob Parson of GoDaddy said, measure everything of significance. Anything that is measured and watched improves. By using dashboards, you can keep a close eye on the things that matter to your organisation and ultimately do some pretty amazing things.